Hello weather watchers. Today in the Caribou Prince George region we're going to see some very high convective available potential energy values. Certainly like up to 1300 joules per kilogram of air. That's very high. We have upper level winds that are moving at in the 30,000 foot area up top. They're going to be cutting right through, giving us the wind shear. Surface winds will be going a different direction. We have a trough that extends right through the middle of the province. That's going to cycle heat, filter heat up into the middle. These will be all the ingredients we need, plus that upper level low in the Gulf of Alaska that's sending unstable air in for mega severe thunderstorm development today. So if you're in the Caribou Prince George regions, be aware of any thundercell late in the afternoon. So conditions are right for the development of dangerous thunderstorms in the Caribou, Chilcote, and Prince George. Say out to Burns Lake, maybe even as far west as Stewie. Some of the coast mountains might be seeing some of that action today. So look out, conditions for dangerous thunderstorms. That's a wording that's important when Environment Canada says that. Not just severe, dangerous. Note that wording.
Yeah, that's a hard rod. I'll grab it.
Yeah, I'm in the white pickup up there.
This is one of my happy days. We're on a small IA fire in the wilderness. Things are on fire. We got severe storms trying to develop up this afternoon. And I've been posted to weather watch and lookout. Best use for me. When it finally shows its face, I mean, the top's starting to blow on this guy. He's getting big, getting that anvil shape. Nice structure, seems sort of isolated, so maybe it'll be able to power up.
Exactly 1 kilometer.
And over here we got smoke.
Cover that, 0.6.
0.6 in American.
Yeah, 0.6 miles in American.
Alright, copy. Thanks, Clay.
Now that is definitely a guy to watch, whoever gets underneath that.
And Iverson, Task Force Blanca, could you give me the call sign for our weather person on site?
I am 198.
198, what you seeing?
So we have a cell that's east of us now that's producing a little bit of lightning, but it's getting its energy drawn out of it to these guys to the south. We still have some time, but that could close in pretty quick in the next hour.
Okay, thanks for the update.
Reppin'.
Yeah, I think we just entered optimal conditions. Just keep a good bead on the wind, and weather guy off the Iverson crew.
Burning a little bit, but the developing storms are sucking it towards it, so this is really ideal for now.
Hey, Obaka, you got division? Hey, what time is
Ha! That's kind of fun. That's really fucking hot. Just gonna tilt my head down, keep it off my face, and I'll watch the video later. Woo! Awesome.
Task Force McCandless Division, Nickel. Hey, go ahead, Division.
God,
Like
I
100, copy, go for
love
it.
being a weatherman. And I love when people actually listen to what I'm fucking saying. It's so nice. Unfortunately, what I'm saying is this is coming.
You guys will kind of free those catches right behind him, and I'll get you. So I think you guys tied everything. You're just bouncing around. All right, thanks.
Boom, thundering.
Hey, Baca Division. Go ahead. Yeah, you probably just caught that. Yeah, I'm up here at 20. Did see a downstroke out there to the south, southeast. Looks like we've been roving vehicle patrol.
Yep, okay, sounds good. Yeah, we'll be mobile.
Yeah, Division 437, you got the camera? You go ahead. Yeah, same thing, starting to see it, kind of working in a little bit closer to us. Right, so yeah.
So a thunderstorm's almost on us, and that'll help cool this off a little bit, I'm pretty sure. Sometimes things get pretty hot. But we got the weather inside. This is some pretty wild convection that's happening. These storms are going to be really severe when they pop. So I am stoked.
Yeah, McCandless, we just touched base. And Division copies all that direct. Thanks, guys.
Main thing is making sure nothing fucking jump on this side. Fucking lightning, smoke.
We're going towards the guy? I don't know. We need to turn around now.
Blasting winds, smoke, lightning. What a great fucking day. Nice! That was right fucking there. Yeah, I did. Those guys are like fucking school nerds. They don't know what it's like to be on the land, man. It's one thing to look at weather data and make assumptions. It's another thing to have like experience with the land you're on. Yeah, man, it's not joking around. See those lightning strikes? Holy fuck. Boom! 1 kilometer or less. Maybe slightly more. That was 2 bolts